me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically about how I take care of my hair and my braids and how I keep my braids looking intact. So this video is really quick and easy. I just use 3 products every day. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so first of all, I use mousse, oil, and braid sheen. The mousse that I use is this Vigorol Maximum Shine and Wave mousse. This I just like rub on the braids to keep them looking good. The oil I use is this Talia Wajid African Healing Oil, and the braid sheen that I use is this The Roots Natural Braid Sheen and Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm gonna just show you guys my steps. So first I start by oiling my scalp. To be honest, I would rather have someone do this for me, but no one's here right now. So I just take this and just go over all of the parts. Okay, so what I do for the back, since I can't really see the back and also since I'm kind of lazy, I really just take the bottle and just like go all through, like just go all around. Like instead of following the parts, I just like go all around and then just massage it all like through my scalp. And now I'm just gonna give myself a little mini scalp massage. I also rub some on my shaved part. I don't put oil directly on there. I just like rub my hands right there. My hands are super oily. You want to be careful how much oil you're putting because sometimes like it can run down like in your face basically without you even noticing and cause you to break out really bad. So just be mindful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this braid sheen and I'm gonna spray it on my scalp and on my braids. It's basically a leave-in conditioner for your hair and then like a braid sheen and shine for your braids. Now finally, I'm gonna take this and just rub this all through my braids. What else I also like to do is dip my hair. Like, you know how when you're done getting your hair braided, you dip your hair in hot water to like make it, you know what I mean? So you could dip your hair, depending on how frizzy it's getting. Normally when you get colored braids, they'll get frizzy faster just because of all the chemical processing that the hair had to go through. So if you have black like braids or something, then you should be fine. But you can re-dip your braids like every week or 2 just to keep them looking perfect. Okay, so those are the steps that I follow every day, either at morning or at night. And then when I sleep with my hair, I'm about to show you guys how I sleep with it, because one night when I slept with it, first of all, I was getting all tangled up in my hair because I didn't really do anything to it. So like in my sleep, I was like laying on my braids and like twisted up in my braids, da, 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 da. So I'm about to show you guys now how I sleep with them. So basically, I just put it into a low bun or something like this, like something to just keep all the hair together. And then I take this thing called a braid bonnet, which is basically a bag for your hair. It's like a scarf bag for your braids. You just put all the hair in the bag. Just put it in the bag. And then that's it. It stays on all night. Yeah, this keeps all the hair together and out the way, and it keeps it looking good. I got all my products from my job, which is called Superstar Hair Wigs. It's a black-owned beauty supply store in LA, so if you're around, be sure to shop with them. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, just comment them below and I'll answer them. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, follow me at Janai Kirsten. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!